Shopify empowering e-commerce entrepreneurs. In today's digital age, e-commerce has been revolutionized. This is the way people do business. One platform that has played a significant role in enabling entrepreneurs to build and scale online stores is Shopify. Shopify is a comprehensive e commerce platform that provides individuals and businesses with the tools and resources necessary to create, customize, and manage their online stores. With its user friendly interface, robust features, and extensive integrations, Shopify has empowered countless individuals to turn their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. In this video, we will delve into the world of Shopify, exploring its features, benefits, and how people are leveraging this platform to generate income and achieve their financial success. So, the first thing is we will understand Shopify in this video. Here's an overview and history of Shopify. Shopify was founded in 2006 by Tobias, Daniel, and Scott Lake as an e-commerce solution for their online snowboarding equipment store. Recognizing the need for a user-friendly and comprehensive e-commerce platform, they developed Shopify to enable businesses of all sizes to establish an online presence easily. Here are the features and capabilities. So Shopify offers a wide range of features that cater to the diverse needs of online entrepreneurs. Some key features include: number one, store customization. Shopify provides an intuitive interface and a vast selection of customizable themes, allowing users to create visually appealing and unique online stores. Product management. Users can easily add, edit, and organize products, including descriptions, images, variants, and inventory levels. Number three, payment and shipping options. Shopify integrates with multiple payment gateways, making it easy for businesses to accept payments from customers worldwide. It also offers robust shopping and shipping functionality to streamline order fulfillment. Number four, app stores and their integrations. Shopify boasts a vast ecosystem of apps and integrations, enabling users to enhance their stores with additional features and functionalities. So this is something we understood Shopify by. But how can you make money with Shopify? Well, here's one thing. You need to set up an online store. So one of the primary ways people make money with Shopify is by setting up their online stores. With Shopify's user-friendly interface and extensive customization options, entrepreneurs can create visually appealing and professional-looking stores that resonate with their target audience. Number one is niche selection. Identifying a profitable niche is crucial for success. If you have your own niche, what better? By conducting market research and analyzing trends, individuals can find a niche with high demand and limited competition. Store design and branding. Creating a visually appealing store and establishing a strong brand identity helps attract customers and build trust. Shopify's customizable themes and branding options make it easy to create a unique and memorable store. 3. Product selection. So choosing the right product is vital. What you want to sell. Entrepreneurs can source products from suppliers or manufacturers, or even create their own products that they want to sell online. Shopify's product management tools simplify inventory management and order processing. So this was setting up an online store. What about number 2, drop shipping and print on demand? Dropshipping and print on demand, or another case, POD, are popular business models that entrepreneurs use to generate money using Shopify. What is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping entrepreneurs sell products without having to handle inventory or fulfill orders themselves. They partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Shopify integrates with various dropshipping apps, making it seamless to set up and manage a dropshipping business. And the second one, which is print on demand or POD. So, print on demand allows entrepreneurs to create and sell custom design products such as t shirts, mugs, phone cases. That's my favorite. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly by the POD supplier or the print on demand supplier. Shopify integrates with POD services, enabling entrepreneurs to easily launch and manage their print on demand stores. Now, the third thing is e-commerce consulting services. So, another way individuals make money with Shopify is by offering e-commerce consulting services. Entrepreneurs with expertise in e-commerce, digital marketing, or store optimization can provide their knowledge and services to other Shopify store owners. This includes services such as store setup, marketing strategy, development, conversion rate optimization, and SEO, or as we call it, the search engine optimization. And at number 4, we've got app development and theme design. Shopify's extensive app store and theme marketplace provide opportunities for developers and designers to create and sell their products. Developing apps that extend Shopify's functionalities or designing themes that cater to specific industries or aesthetics can be a lucrative business. By understanding the needs of Shopify merchants, developers and designers can provide value-added solutions and generate income through sales or recurrent subscriptions. Now, we've got a lot of examples that I can give you on this video that many entrepreneurs have built profitable business online stores using Shopify. For instance, Birchbox. It offers a subscription service for beauty products. Then we've got MVMT Watches, who sell stylish timepieces, and Gymshark specializes in fitness apparel. These brands have leveraged Shopify's features and customization options to create engaging online experience that resonate with their target audience, resulting in a substantial revenue generation. This one I've already mentioned, dropshipping, which is a popular business model enabled by Shopify. Entrepreneurs can set up virtual storefronts, select products from suppliers or manufacturers, and market them without physically handling inventory. They only order products from suppliers when a customer places an order. This model significantly reduces upfront costs and inventory management complexities. Successful dropshipping stores on Shopify include such as Fashion Nova and Happiness Abscissa, which have generated millions in revenue by leveraging Shopify's integrations and automation features. We've also discussed print on demand, which is POD, and it is a lucrative business opportunity on Shopify. Entrepreneurs can create and sell custom design products without the need for an inventory. When customers place orders, the products are printed and shipped on demand. The biggest example is Printful, and then we have TeePublic, which are successful examples of POD or print on demand businesses on Shopify, offering customized apparel, accessories, and home goods. Consulting services, which many individuals with expertise in e-commerce, digital marketing, or store optimization are capitalizing on Shopify's ecosystem by offering consulting services to other Shopify store owners. They provide services such as store setup, marketing strategy developments, search engine optimization, and conversion rate optimization. And these are the experts that generate income by charging for their services and helping other entrepreneurs succeed. And of course, we've also discussed this, which is app development and theme design. So, Shopify's App Store and theme marketplace present opportunities for developers and designers to create and sell their products. Entrepreneurs can develop apps that enhance Shopify's functionalities or design themes tailored to specific industries or aesthetics. These products are then offered to Shopify store owners who purchase them to improve their online stores. By creating valuable and in demand apps or themes, developers and designers can generate recurring income through sales or subscription based pricing models. These examples illustrate how Shopify serves as a platform for individuals to create diverse and profitable online businesses, whether through selling physical products or offering services for them or developing innovative solutions. Entrepreneurs can leverage Shopify's resources to generate income and achieve financial success. Why can't you? Shopify has been experiencing significant growth in recent years, and this trend is likely to continue as more businesses and individuals recognize the value and convenience of e-commerce. The demand for platforms like Shopify is expected to increase. Shopify is continuously improving its platform by introducing new features, integrations, and tools to help merchants run their businesses more efficiently. Expect to see ongoing advancements in areas such as inventory management, payment options, shipping solutions, and marketing capabilities. To stay competitive and meet evolving consumer demands, Shopify is likely to further emphasize omni-channel commerce. This involves integrating online and offline sales channels seamlessly, enabling businesses to provide consistent customer experiences across various touchpoints. Data-driven decision making is crucial for e-commerce success. Shopify may invest in improving its data analyticals and its capabilities, providing merchants with deeper insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and market effectiveness. As environmental and social concerns grow, Shopify is likely to place more emphasis on sustainability and social responsibility. So, this is why I feel that investing your time in Shopify will be great for making money. So, in conclusion, Shopify has emerged as a powerful e commerce platform. It has empowered numerous entrepreneurs worldwide to launch, scale, and monetize their online businesses with its user friendly interface, extensive customization options, and wide range of features. Shopify provides a comprehensive solution for building and managing online stores. Entrepreneurs leverage Shopify's capabilities through various strategies, including setting up online stores, utilizing dropshipping and print on demand business models, offering consulting services, and developing apps and themes. By capitalizing on Shopify's resources and tools, individuals have unlocked new avenues for generating income, achieving financial independence, and pursuing their entrepreneurial aspirations. As the e commerce industry continues to evolve, Shopify remains at the forefront, enabling aspiring entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into successful online businesses. In my next video, I will show you how to create a Shopify account and how you can take advantage of this. Stay tuned.